Welcome to today's video on the update of what is going on in the market for crypto. So it is September 25th, and we are getting so close to Cryptober, right? That's what I'm calling it, I'm calling it Cryptober. And the reason why I am calling that is here, sharing the screen, okay, is for the sheer point that every October, we have massive gains here, and we have exponential gains in the crypto market when we end September in the green. And September is getting ready to flip green for crypto, right? So whenever it does, boom, we've got that's double digits, but I want to say double digits times 3 because that's 30%. And then the last one was 14 and then 33. So these are big moments here. So we will see. So the average is around 22% gain for October. The average basically bear for September is around 4%. And right now we are in pivotal markets. Okay. So in Bitcoin, we have been making lower highs, but this guy just swung to making a just briefly higher high, which is good. We're in this area of basically this range here where we're just consolidating. Boom, 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 boom. And yes, we do have an engulfing candle on the daily here, which is a little bit concerning, but considering where China has been cutting interest rates. I mean, Japan has been raising their interest rates because they've been having some issues, different completely monetary market over there. But we just lowered rates, and we've got the election that's coming up here in 41 days. I can't believe Trump is behind, to be honest. But if Trump freaking wins this sucker, which I hope he does, we are mooning, and we are going to moon incredibly quickly. If Kamala wins, well, it's a little bit negative for crypto, but you're not going to be able to stop crypto together. If I look at some of my current trades here, so I've played the long and short game today. I was up about 500, then I lost about 500. And right now I decided to open a $50,000 trade on Ethereum just right here for the basic reason as that we are hitting support. And this is interesting. Okay. I was expecting support to be coming down to this here. Let me zoom up here so you guys can see a little bit better right here where I have the VWAP. Okay. I was expecting resistance to be somewhere in this area. And so I really wanted to get in right around 2,500, but I haven't. So far, I still have $8,000 left over to see what is going to happen. This guy's essentially somewhat breaking even. Okay. My target is right around the $2,900 to $3,000 range for this guy. Ideally, I'd like to see it go up to the 3,200 because if I change to the weekly here, one of the reasons that told me that I should probably keep going up is it's that 3,500 is really where the resistance is here. And we can see on the weekly, we've bounced off of this uptrend support line. So zooming out, we are going up, right? And so I just wanted to make sure that I could withstand some punishment and have my liquidation be fairly close to the bottom of where this guy was, right around the 2150 range when it came to trading here. But there is a couple concerning things that I have been looking at. Okay, is for the daily, is on the daily. Delete that, get rid of this, move this over here, is on the daily. We have a hanging man, and usually a hanging man or a shooting star is a reversal, right? And that's what happened, is there's the reversal, but boom, we're catching some support. We've got a small little wick here. I think that's just where we're going, We could potentially bounce off of the 2,500 range, but I somewhat am believing that this is going up. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Okay. But ideally, hoping that this is going to make another 5-10 grand for the account here. And if we talk about Bitcoin again, just like I said, is in that little consolidation range. And on the VWAP, okay, I can move the VWAP to some different areas. We are looking at solid support right around that $60,000 range. And this is upwards here. Let me move this back to the weekly and see if I can move this up. Okay, so really the resistance is right around that 6,700. But if we're able to break this here, we are going to see new all-time highs, and maybe we'll see a small rejection come the election, because what else is going on is During Q4 of the halving, we have seen massive gains of an average of 100%, right? So that would mean that Bitcoin would be at the end of the year priced at like 140 if it was averaged here. That is insane. That means Ethereum would be right around the $5,000 to $7,000 range. Incredible, right? So that is what I have today. I will be back tomorrow. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Till next time, this is Johnny Crypto here to help you guys make some effing money.